Alright, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you another new airdrop that can potentially make you money. Totally easy to participate. Okay, so how do you join? Everything I will talk about in the screen video. So let's dive in. Okay, so let's dive in. Okay, so alright, Drip.Trade is the new NFT marketplace. So probably you know Hyperliquid. They launched this. So this is trading platform, NFT trading platform. So we will join today in here. I never before join. I will join today. Just simply what you need to do, you need to copy this site link and paste into your favorite browser. Okay, any browser you can paste it into. So let's type in. Simple, totally simple interface in the Adobe industry. Okay, so everybody relate with it, and everybody can do it. Okay, even your grandfather or mother can do it. Okay, so simply put your Twitter username and your email, and that's it. Okay, nothing complicated. So simple as that. Probably you are seeing just this way. Just simply click on the join waitlist and it will be done. Okay, as simple as that. So simply click on the join waitlist and please wait. Thank you, your submission has been received. So that's it. If you want to know about Drip.Trade, you can reach out to their Twitter. You can reach out their website, landing their website, and see about them. Okay, so if this video is help you slightly to join the airdrop, to find out the new airdrop, please do consider to subscribe. I will be Rothwell. I will be glad to you. And if you don't part of our camp, our Telegram channel, definitely do. Okay, so